Testing, testing.
Dia
Testing,
panggil
testing.
atas ni. Dia punya tu mungkin.
Ini ya.
Dia macam tu, yes. Okey, lagi dalam. Takut jatuh.
Testing,
Lagi dalam,
testing.
takut jatuh. Okey.
Testing, testing. Boleh mula. Okay, shall we start? Yes, ready? Hello, handsome. Okay, let's start. A very good evening to our officers from the PPD, the teachers, and my lovely students. How are you today? Okay, now let's continue. Rules for the slot. Number 1, close all your books. Number 2, close all your gadgets. Close. I am walking around to check who is opening the books, who is turning on the gadget. Tutup Mana-mana yang saya nampak buka buku, saya akan ambil. Dalam perjalanan balik, saya akan derma. Derma kepada rumah orang tua. Bagi datuk nenek baca kimia sedikit. Okay, Can hear clearly? Yes, okay. Now, I'm going to give you numbers. What is the number for? Come, give me that book. Tutup Simpan Okay. Before I want to start my session, I'm going to give you numbers. Handsome, you number 1 Number 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
12. 13. 32. Okay, on my right hand side until what number? What number? 41. Later you are going to call your friends, remember, 42. 63, you 64. 65. 66. 72. 80. Okay, testing. What is the number for? The numbers is for me to call you to answer questions. Okay, The rule is when called, straight away answer. Cannot ask your friends. Tak ada talian hayat. Okay? Salah tak apa. Salah lah. Okay? But you must answer. Ready? Yes, okay. Now, let's move on. Why I am here today? My purpose to be here is to give you answers. But before I give you answers, you are going to give me first. Okay, first question. Testing. What number you like? That side, 1 to 42. 42, right? 41. That side 1 to 41. This side 42 to what number? 83. Okay. One more rules numbers that has been called cannot be repeated. What number you like? 6 He likes 6 Okay. Who is number 6? You, number 6. I don't call you he only call you Okay, let's continue. First question. Question number 1. Okay, since you are the first one to answer, I give you simple question. This question. Keywords, please. Okay. If he get correct, give him a tap. Hello. When we are reading question, when we read, we are going to read from the top. Wah, now ni want to read Sudah habis buat tapi belum baca soalan. Sangat pandai. Okay. Atas, apa kata kunci? Okay, wait. Who agree? Dengar sini Siapa tak dengar, dia akan ikut saya. Okay. His answer is the keyword potassium chloride solution. Do you agree? Who agree, show your hand. Who don't agree, show your hand. Oh, you don't agree Continue, what keywords? Negative charge ion. Hello, where are we? We are here. Up there. I repeat we are reading the question from here. Up here.
Presenter. Dia mau nak? Ya.
Okay, listen. What we are talking about is here. Up here. This part. Keywords from here. Okay? So, just now our friend said potassium chloride solution, it is not accurate. It has to be 0.5 mole per decimeter cube. That is the important part. Okay, now continue. Next part. Next keywords will be the greenish yellow gas. Kenapa dia punya echo?
Kita ambil live tu. Sekarang ni sebab nak bagi yang audio kat dalam talian tu dengar juga. Nanti dia jadi, kalau kita pasang dua mic nanti dalam ni dia jadi ni tak okey tu. Bateri habis.
Bukan habis ke? Tak dapat kena. Dapat ke? Okay. Pointer?
Pointer yang ni kot.
Thank you.
Tapi dia akan bunyi macam tu, dia ada freeze ni. Sebab kalau tak pakai mic nanti dia jadi yang dalam talian pula tak boleh dengar. Yalah sebab sebab ni.
Okay, continue. We are here. Up there. Okay, next part. So, when you see the greenish yellow gas, you know that what gas is that? Chlorine gas. And when you see the chlorine gas, meaning the factors that is involved in the selectively discharge will be what factor? Will be the concentration. Okay, now I continue. Next part. When you want to determine what factor to be selectively discharged, you are going to see if it is carbon electrode with dilute solution, the E0 value is involved. Okay? If it is carbon electrode with the halide ion and it is a concentrated solution, the factor will be the concentration. Follow? If it is carbon electrode, the solution with halide ion, but it is dilute, it is still considered as the E0 value. I repeat, if we are talking about the selectively discharge, we see the electrode first. If the electrode is carbon electrode, then there will be two conditions. One, E0 value. Another two, the concentration. Now please remember, the concentration will only disturb at where? At the anode. Other condition, at the cathode, we follow E0 value. Okay? Now we continue to the next part. This is a okay, next question. What is meant by anion? Now I want to hear from number 35. What is the meaning of anion? Okay, negative charge what? Ion, good. Give him a clap, please. Okay, thank you. Now, if I want to change the question, I can ask you, what is the meaning of cation? What is the meaning of cation? Come, call a number. Call a number. 67. Oh, who is 67? He knows it's you. What is the meaning of cation? He says the answer to be positively charged ion. Is he correct? Oh, very good. Okay, let's continue. What is the keywords of this question here? This one. Just now when I walked around, I found that some of you get the wrong answer. Why wrong answer? Because you didn't identify keywords. The keywords should be here. Formula of all anions. All. Not one. All. Okay. And when I walked around just now, I found out that you have problem to identify ions that present in the electrolyte. Okay. Who have problem in doing that? Show your hand. Who sometimes can do, sometimes cannot do? Show your hand. Identify ions from the electrolyte. You can do. Okay. Now I show you. How do you identify? Go back to the picture just now. This is the picture. Okay. Check at the electrolyte. Electrolyte, you cut half. I show you how to cut. Ready? This is the electrolyte, and you are going to cut it half here. When you cut, you are going to get from the front the sodium ion. Behind, you are going to get the chloride ion. In your case, it is potassium ion and chloride ion. But don't forget, you have the word solution. When you have the word solution, meaning you will have the hydrogen ion and the hydroxide ion. I repeat, first thing, you are going to cut half like that. you cut, you will get 2 ions from the solute. Follow until here? Okay. Because of the word solution, you add another 2 ions, which is the hydrogen ion and the hydroxide ion. And now, altogether, there are 4 types of ions in the electrolyte. 2 types will go to the anode. Another 2 types will go to the cathode. Now you check your answer. For those who got it wrong, faster check. The question wants us to get for something that is at the anode. How I know it is anode? Because they ask for N ions. What are the N ions here? It will be the hydroxide ion and the chloride ion. Follow? Okay, Therefore, your answer, you should have 2 types of ions. And please check your question. They say the formulae. When we are talking about the formulae, you are not going to spell it out. You are going to just write the formula. And here comes your answer. This is the answer for the first question, and next, the answer for the questions that we were discussing. Okay? And any one that you left out, you write only one, then you don't get marks. Follow? Okay, next. We move on. Next part. The question asks, the gas collected at the X decolorizes the damp blue litmus paper. Okay. What is the keyword at the question? Decolorize. Other than this, damp blue litmus paper. Some more. Keywords. Gas collected. He went too fast. One more. Electrode X. Some more. Some more, I ask everyone read the whole sentence for me. The keywords will be this one. Name. Name the gas. What gas is that? Correct. That is the chlorine gas. These are the keywords. The chlorine gas. Now actually, we cannot write, if they are asking you for the chemical test for the chlorine gas, you cannot write decolorize the damp blue litmus paper. Cannot. Why? Because before it is turning another color, before that you have to have another color. What is the color? Yes, it is the red. After red, what will it become? It will not be colorless. It will be bleach. Why is that so? You learn this in your Form 4, Chapter 4, where when you have this chlorine to dissolve in water, you will get hydrochloric acid and the hypochlorous acid. So your observation number 1, you should be telling from the damp blue litmus paper, it turns red. Then only bleach. Cannot write decolorize. Decolorize means what? Decolorize means it has no color. Will it become the color of your plain water? It will not be. The color is just bleach off. Follow? That's why the observation should be damp blue litmus paper turns red, then bleach. Jot down on your own. And this will be one of the chemical tests for the chlorine gas that we should know. I repeat, how to test for chlorine gas? Place a moist blue litmus paper into the test tube. Place a moist blue litmus paper into the test tube. What I am telling you now is the chemical test for chlorine gas. Where are we? Where are you? Why you go so fast? I repeat, chemical test for chlorine gas. Number 1, place a moist blue litmus paper into the test tube. Moist blue litmus paper turns red, then bleach. Moist blue litmus paper turns red, then bleach. Okay? Done? This is the chemical test for chlorine gas. Even though I am discussing the chapter on redox, and after that I am talking about carbon compound, but then I am putting in other concepts that you should know that is related. Okay, now continue. When I walked around just now, I found that some of you cannot write half equation. Now I am here to teach you a simple method to write half equation. Are you ready? Okay, look at the cursor. Look at the chloride ion. Did you see that at the chloride ion there is a negative charge? Okay, look here on the screen. You have a negative charge here. When you have a negative, meaning they ask you to minus electron. Minus electron means you are going to push this electron onto another side of the arrow. I repeat, if you see a negative minus here, meaning you are going to push this electron onto the other side of the arrow. If you see this one as positive, meaning you add electron on the same side. I repeat, if you see positive, you are adding electron on the same side. If you are seeing negative, you are going to push the electron onto the other side of the arrow. Everyone clear until here? Yes. If I meet you early of the year, I won't tell you this. Why? Because you should learn based on understanding. But today you are very near to SPM. You need some tricks. So I'm here to tell you the tricks. Then only you balance up the chemical equation. Clear? Okay, now let's move on. Next part of the question, they want to ask you which electrode is the cathode. Which one is the cathode? The Y, correct? If you get this one wrong, no need to do chemistry. Don't know what to do for you already. You happy, huh? But luckily, all of you get correct. Very good. Okay, next part. Now, write the half equation for the reaction that happened at the cathode. Now, when you see the keyword as cathode, always the cat with the cat, meaning you are going to search for a cat ion. What are the cat ions that present in the electrolyte? Please tell me. K plus, good. Some more? Oh, very good. H plus, correct. Okay. You have K plus and H plus. Some of you, you don't know what to choose. Today, I'm here to tell you what to choose. Now, if in the electrolyte, you see K plus and H plus, you are going to choose the H plus. If you see Mg2 positive and H plus, who are you going to choose? How you know H plus? Well, you very smart, huh? Okay, correct, H plus. Now, I have a question. If I have Zn2 positive and H plus, what do I choose? Oh, you Zn2 plus, no. You are going to choose H plus. Follow, Okay. Now, why? Because we are going to choose a more positive E0 value. Why more positive? What is the reaction that occurs at the cathode? Wait. I want to call one number. Give me one number, please.
5.
Number 5. You see, he remember his friend's number. Okay, at cathode, what is the reaction that occurs? Reduction. Very good. Everyone got that answer, right? Okay, reduction. Now, continue. So, at the cathode, if it is undergoing reduction, you are going to choose a more positive E0 value. That's why you are choosing the hydrogen ion instead of the zinc ion, the magnesium ion, or the potassium ion. Okay. Now, I have another question. I have copper 2 ion and hydrogen ion. What are you going to choose? Who wants to choose hydrogen ion? Show your hand. Who wants to choose copper 2 ion? Show your hand. Who don't know what to choose? Show your hand. Wow, you very brave, right? You tell me you don't know how to choose, huh? Never mind, I tell you. The trick is, if you see copper 2 ion and hydrogen ion, choose copper 2 ion. If you see silver ion and hydrogen ion, what to choose? Silver ion, yes, very good. Okay, write down on your own. After this, you don't see me anymore, you will miss my voice. Jot down. Okay, I repeat. If you have potassium ion, magnesium ion, zinc ion, and hydrogen ion, the pairing, potassium ion and hydrogen ion, or zinc ion and hydrogen ion, or magnesium ion and hydrogen ion, what to choose? Hydrogen ion. If you have copper 2 ion and hydrogen ion, what to choose? Good, copper 2 ion. If you have silver ion and hydrogen ion, what to choose? Silver ion. No silver, it's silver ion. Silver ion. Okay? Can? Okay, jot down, jot down, jot down. Important. Jot down. I want to see who never write. What is your problem, dear? No, okay. If you have problem, you just show your hand and I'm coming to help you. Can I move on? Okay, all of you are very good. You know that in this case, what is the ion that is going to be selectively discharged? Hydrogen ion. Okay, now let's try how to write the ionic equation correctly. First of all, put hydrogen ion. Just now I told you the trick. Are you going to plus electron or you push onto the other side? Plus, plus, okay, check the answer. Who got this? Who got this? Very good. You see? When you remember, you see the plus, you straight away plus electron. Done. And congratulations, you are going to use this method for most of the condition. Okay. What is the condition that you cannot use? Important. When you have iron 2 ion changing to iron 3 ion, can you use this? Cannot. That one is the exception. Okay, now let's continue. Next question. Okay. Now I want to call a number. Just now you answered correctly, right? Okay. The number that I call later, you have to tell me what is the keywords of this question. One number, please.
What number?
Number 4. Okay. Later the whole row will answer. You tell me the keywords. If he is wrong, I punish you. Okay. What is the keywords?
0.1 mole of gas.
Okay, wait. Our friend said, wait lah. Our friend said 0.1 mole of gas. Who got this? Show your hand. Who got that as the keyword? Show your hand. Okay, who don't get? Show your hand. Hey, hello. I said who get? Show your hand. You never show. Who didn't get? Show your hand. You never show. What do you get? Hey, I give you time. Everyone check what is the keyword. Okay. Wait, you do first. My friend there, number 3 will be the teacher. Okay. You number 4, you're sorry. Okay, number 4 will be the teacher. Okay, first set of keywords, our friend say, first set of keywords is what?
0.5 mole of gas.
Okay, number 4 friend, 0.1 mole of gas, correct or not? Yes, very good. You see I turned a light. Okay, the first keyword, 0.1 mole of gas. Now, what is the requirement of the question? Call one number, please. 24. He likes 24. Who is 24? Okay. Some more. What is the requirement of the question? What is the requirement of the question? Oh, calculate the volume, correct? Yes, okay, very good. You very happy, Now you check your answer. No answer, faster do now. Do already, okay. Given to you, this one, 0.1 mole. Okay? You want to get the volume. Same thing, right? So, only one step. Okay. Who got this? You happy? I also happy. Okay, wait. What is the error that students always make? Look here on the screen. Unit, Okay. Now, look at the screen. Don't look at me, I know I'm pretty. You no need to look at me. Look at the screen. Aiyo, for a while lah. Okay, see when I want to predict what is the unit, ready? You see. Everything also very good response. I don't know whether you know or not. Check. You see, mole and per mole. Foot cancel off. What is left? It is the decimeter cube. So your answer will be left at decimeter cube. You don't be so smart. Straight away take your calculator, press. You put 2.4. No marks. Must be having the correct number and unit. Okay, let's move on. Since you are so happy, you tell me this. When the experiment is repeated using what? What is the keyword? Okay, you tell me what is the keyword.
1.0 mole density of potassium chloride solution.
Okay, now the experiment is repeated. According to your handout, it will be repeated by using 0.1 mole per decimeter cube potassium chloride solution. Okay. Now you call one number. The number I want to be more than 42. 42 cannot only decide. If not, my boss here, why don't call me? They look very sad. 65. Okay, 65. You purposely call him. Okay. Okay. Tell me, what is your answer?
My answer is chloride ion.
His answer is chloride ion. Correct? I have a question now. I have one question now. Why?
Because the concentration is high.
Oh, he said because the concentration is high. Who agree with his answer? Show your hand. Oh, all wrong. Why? You are very good. Higher, correct? You cannot be telling the concentration is high. Why? Because you are comparing. You have the chloride ion and the hydroxide ion, right? Two, you compare. Let's say you want to go to the shop, you go makan. Which one I choose? Of course, you choose the tastier one. You close your eye and choose. No, right? You choose the tastier one. So, you are going to choose the one with the higher concentration. So, your answer will be this. You see, I very good. I all give answer only. Now, some students, they want to challenge me or they want to challenge themselves. Okay, listen carefully. Hello, what do I want to talk now? Don't know, Listen. Okay, continue to the next story. Some students, they are telling number of chloride ion is higher, correct or wrong? Wrong Why wrong? Wait. Number of chloride ion is higher. Who thinks correct? Show your hand. Who thinks wrong? Show your hand. Wow, you very smart, So this year, star, everyone A+ in chemistry. Okay. Now you tell me, since you're so smart, you tell me why wrong. This time I call number. My number. What number I like? I don't want 20. I want bigger number. I want 71. Who is 71 now? Wow, you are so lucky. You are the first number I call tonight. Why cannot number of chloride ion? Why number of chloride ion cannot? Concentration. Why must be concentration? Why number of chloride ion cannot? You see, I asked back the same question. That means he never answered to my question. Thank you very much. Why? My question now. What is the keywords when you want to talk about concentration? Mole per decimeter cube. When you are answering rate of reaction, you want to talk about concentration. What is the keywords? Number of mole. Concentration, not number of mole. When we want to answer about the concentration, the keywords will be number of chloride ion per unit volume. Oh, you very smart, correct. Number of chloride ion per unit volume. So you cannot simply use words to replace. Don't go for things that makes your life miserable. Always lead a simple and sweet life. Therefore, go for concentration. Enough. Don't go and go for difficult words. Put you in difficult condition. Put me in difficult condition. Everyone become very difficult. Okay, Use the word concentration. Enough. Can I move on? Okay. Now, I was talking a lot about the concentration. You might be asking, if I want to talk about the cathode, will the concentration be disturbing? Now, please bear in mind, when the concentration is concerned, it will only disturb the anode. And just now when I walk around, you told me, some of you told me, because of the chloride ion, it's a halide ion, that's why we choose her. Who wrote answer like that? You wrote, right? So now, you cannot tell, because it's halide ion, so I choose lah. Cannot. Why you go and choose that food, nasi lemak, very good? Because it's nasi lemak lah. Like that lah. No, because it's tasty, that's why I choose, right? So the reason is because the concentration is higher. Don't go and talk, because my teacher say halide ion choose, so I choose. No such thing. Can I continue? Yes, wow, you have already completed the first question. Now let's look at the second question. Just now we were doing structure question. Now I up the level a bit. When you play games also, you want to up the level, right? Now we are going to go on to the, what question? We are going to go on to the essay question. Okay, look at the second question, number 2. This is a question. See, I underlined for you keywords already. What is the keywords? The keyword say, you want to determine whether X and Y are the electrolyte. So, look at the picture. Circle the part that attracts you to see. The bulb, okay. Why you want to circle the bulb? Okay, now, which is the electrolyte? Who thinks the X is the electrolyte? Show your hand. Very good. Who thinks the Y an electrolyte? No, meaning, here in this case, you have made the right choice. The X is the electrolyte. But my question, why the X is the electrolyte? Wait, I want to call one number. Come, please give me one number. 40, okay. Who is 40? Wow, you're very happy, Okay, now you tell me, why is the X an electrolyte? Oh, because it consists of free moving ions. Agree? I have another question. Why got free moving ions? Okay, never mind. Thank you. You sit down. Now, some of you might tell me, because the bulb light up. Who put the answer because the bulb light up? Not the answer. What you have already seen in the diagram and you write back, no marks. You have to interpret. When the bulb lights up, what it tells you? When the bulb lights up, actually it is telling you it can conduct electricity. Why we must choose substance that can conduct electricity? Again, we go to the definition of the electrolyte. Now, just now some of you were looking for answers. What is the meaning of electrolyte? I straight away give you. Because I want to tell you what are the words that you miss out. Okay, see First of all, when we are talking about electrolyte, it is a chemical substance. So, you have to write the word chemical substance. What can this chemical substance do? First thing, conduct electricity. At what state? Molten or aqueous state. And somehow at the same time, the substance must undergo chemical decomposition when the electricity flows through. Okay? Now, our friends at the online who logged in today, thank you very much for joining us. If you have any questions, you can post. And if you got the correct answer, congratulations. I hope you are okay with the session. Now we continue to the next part. Okay, for those who are learning in BM, I have already prepared for you answer in BM as well. Okay, now next part. So when you are writing this, the definition of electrolyte, number one, your keywords must have substance. Those who are online, I'm going to show you the cursor. First thing, you must have the word substance. Dalam bahasa Melayu, bahan. That can conduct electricity, not enough. Must tell what condition. Dalam keadaan leboran ataupun aqueous. Next part, mesti mengalami penguraian kimia. Jika berlaku satu bahagian sahaja, tidak dikira sebagai electrolyte. It must have two processes to happen at the same time. Okay? Now we continue to the next part of the question. Now next part, they are asking you to choose. So just now, you have already chosen the correct answer. The X. But now, why do you choose the X? The answer will be the explanation. Use back what you see at the definition. Why do you choose the X? Because the X can conduct electricity at what state? Not molten state. Look at the diagram. Aqueous state. Okay. So if you are writing can conduct electricity, okay, good enough. But to be perfect, you write at aqueous state. Okay, Now we continue to the next part of the question. What is the keywords? Part B. Now I am going to go on to the next part where we are going to analyze a voltaic cell. Now when you want to analyze the voltaic cell, what should you see? You are going to see the first part, the electrode that is being used. Okay, now we are going to determine. Now I want to test those who are with us yang ada di luar talian. Okay. If they are correct, you give them a clap. Ready? Okay. For those who are with us today, bersedia? Yang ada dalam talian ya. Antara elektrod magnesium dan elektrod cuprum, which one? Yang mana satu? Adalah negative terminal. Yang mana satukah terminal negatif? Okay. Tengok ada tak jawapan? Adakah jawapannya? Okay. Cuba saya semak apa jawapan yang ada. Okay, ada jawab magnesium, betul tak? Oh, okay, dari Raja Perempuan, terima kasih. Okay, next, continue. Okay, kita sambung ya, sambung cerita. Cerita kita betul, magnesium itu negative terminal. Okay, next part of the question. Now you look at the question. Perkataan yang sangat penting di sini adalah berdasarkan Raja 10, based on diagram 10. That means you look at the certain diagram only, don't go and see other things. Okay? Now, what do they ask you to do? Apa yang diperlukan? Kata kunci. Apa jawapan yang boleh diberikan? Keywords? What is the keywords? Come, what is the keywords? Right. What is the keywords of the question? Now only want to read. What is the keywords of the question? What to write?
Magnesium and copper.
You are going to write the Cell notation, good. Okay, now those who have problem in writing the cell notation, see when you want to write the cell notation, always start with the anode, followed by the cathode. Anode dulu, lepas itu cathode. Dapat? Okay, now on the screen, I put for you the solid, the aqueous, the concentration. Ni untuk yang dalam talian. This one. On the screen, cikgu letak solid, aqueous dengan concentration. Jika tak pasti, jangan tulis. Jika tak pasti, tidak perlu tulis. Okay. I am very sure some of you here still have problem to write cell notation. Siapa yang ada masalah cell notation? Okay, now you look at the screen. I am going to bring you a tour. Mau pergi jalan-jalan? Yang dalam talian bersedia ya? Kita pergi jalan-jalan. Stesen pertama. Tak ada stesen berikutnya. Stesen pertama dulu. Kita ada di magnesium. Elektrod yang menjadi anode dulu. Okey, turun. Okey, next station. Stesen seterusnya adalah ion yang ada di dalam larutan. Apa ion yang ada di dalam sini? Magnesium ion. Okey, sambung. Sudah. Nampak short bridge. Can you see the two lines here? So, there are two lines here. Okay, next. Next station at the solution again. Then only we go up to the electrode. Apa yang perlu diingati adalah di sebelah di sebelah titian garam, left and right, you are going to have ions from the solution. Now I prove to you. See, magnesium, we start from here. On the left and right, you will have the ions and the ions, and it will be ended with the electrode. Mula dengan electrode, akhir dengan electrode. Okay. Jika keadaan dan kepekatan itu tidak confirm, not sure, jangan tulis. If you are not sure about the condition and the concentration, no need to write. Okay. Can I continue? Yes. Okay. Next part. Next question. What is the keywords? Next question. Keywords-nya, nyatakan pemerhatian. State the observation at where? State the observation at the magnesium electrode. Okay. Something for you to remember. What is the process that happened at the anode? Oxidation. Happen at which electrode? Happen at the magnesium electrode. Okay. When oxidation happened to the electrode, I show you the answer. The observation will be always the magnesium becomes thinner. Cannot become thin. No. Why? Because the word thin does not show comparison. You have to have the words that show comparison, which is from bigger size to become smaller size. That is called as thinner. Follow? Okay, next part. Some of you might write, the magnesium electrode dissolve. Can or cannot? Yang ada dalam talian, boleh gak? Terima gak? Jika boleh terima, beri cikgu satu like. Tak boleh terima, beri cikgu satu crying face. Boleh terima gak? Saya tunggu respons. Oh, wah, tengok love untuk saya. Tak sangka dapat love. Oh yo, thank you very much. Now we continue. Wah, you tengok love, you sangat happy. Now you tell me why cannot dissolve. Why cannot dissolve? Adakah kamu nampak itu magnesium atom sudah habis jadi magnesium ion? Tak nampak kan? Dia lambai-lambai, halo, tak ada. Tak ada, no. That's why you cannot tell it dissolve. But you see the change in the size. That's why from bigger size to smaller size, you put thinner. Can tell bigger size to smaller size? No, that one is for me, bigger size to smaller size. Cannot put for the electrode. Okay, next. Continue. The question says, write half equation. Again, one more time, I prove to you. Look here. I prove to you. Saya kena tunjuk ini, guna ni, supaya semua orang nampak. When it is an atom, apabila atom mengalami tindak balas, atom itu akan membentuk ion. Nampak? Okay, can you see the plus here? Yes. So when you see the plus here, straight away right after that, plus electron. Follow? Dapat? Senang kan? Tak ada tipu kan? Yes, memang saya tak pandai tipu. Okay, next one. Next question. Next question. The question says, if the magnesium electrode and the magnesium nitrate is replaced by using the iron electrode, sudah digantikan, apa yang akan berlaku kepada nilai voltannya? Apa yang akan berlaku kepada voltan sel? So what do you do? Let's say you are cracking your head, tak tahu nak buat macam mana. Senang saja ceritanya. Soalan sudah beritahu kamu voltan. Jadi anda hitunglah voltan. So you are going to calculate. Okay. Siapa masih tak boleh ingat formula ini? Dekat yang ada di luar bersama dengan kita, yang sudah boleh hafal formula ini, beri cikgu satu like. Belum lagi, beri cikgu satu love. Yang ini, like ke love? Love maksudnya semua belum hafal lah. Sangat pandai lah kamu. Like. Okay, harap you dapat like lah. Wah, you see semua like session kita pada petang ini. Ayo, okay. Saya sendiri saja perasan lah. Okay. Continue next part. So, if you are having problem to remember this chemical equation, how do you remember? You remember the C minus A, which is the E naught of the cathode minus the E naught of the anode. Okay. Bagaimana kita nak dapat E naught cathode, E naught anode? Semua tengok sini. Saya tahu. You ada rancangan lain dah. Nanti balik asrama nak buat apa? Sebelum balik jumpa saya dulu. Sini ya. Okay. See ya. Continue. Now we are using the iron to pair with the copper. Okay. Now, iron and copper, which will be the anode? Who choose iron? Show your hand. Yang ada di luar sana, siapa yang pilih iron letak like, siapa yang pilih copper letak love untuk jadi anode. For you, you show your hand if you are choosing anode, the iron as the anode. Who? Okay, now correct. The iron is the anode. Why do you choose the iron as the anode? You look at this value. Okay, tengok pada nilai ini. Jika anode mengalami pengoksidaan, mesti nilai lebih negatif. So this one belongs to the iron. That's why the iron will become the anode. Okay. Ada juga murid yang ada masalah untuk baca half equation ini. Sebenarnya dalam you punya soalan ada banyak jawapan. Now I show you. Ready? If we are talking about oxidation, apabila kita sebut tentang pengoksidaan, kita akan baca equation ini daripada kanan ke kiri. Ikut laser pointer cikgu yang berwarna merah ini. Cikgu ulang. Jika sesuatu spesies itu mengalami pengoksidaan, maksudnya kita tengok dari kanan ke kiri. Your half equation will be iron becomes iron 2 positive ion by releasing 2 electrons. Okay, follow? Who can understand until here? You show your hand. Okay, thank you very much. Next part. For the copper, it is the cathode. So what are we going to refer to? Just now I said the cat and the cat. So for the cathode, you are going to refer to the cation. Very good. Look at the diagram. What are the cations at present? The diagram just now. What are the cations at present? Here. The cations will be, that is present will be the copper 2 ion and the hydrogen ion. Copper 2 ion, hydrogen ion, pilih mana satu? Copper 2 ion, bukan copper copper 2 ion Okay. Cathode undergoes what reaction? Oxidation or reduction? Reduction. Reduction means when you want to read the equation, you are going to read from the left to the right. Reduction, baca dari kiri ke kanan. Okay. Jangan pergi ikut, jika negatif lah terbalikkan, apalah tak payah terbalikkan. Ikut left right saja. Boleh ikut? Okay, next part. Continue to the story. So when you want to compare, you are just going to calculate the E0 value. I am very sure you can do it. Okay, next part. Continue. Now for the next question, we are going to identify something that happened during the electrolysis of the copper 2 chloride solution. Look at the keywords at the picture. Did you see the numbers?
Yes.
What numbers? The concentration. 1 mole per decimeter cube and 0.0001 mole per decimeter cube. Okay. Now, which is more concentrated? Set 1 or set 2? Set 1, correct. Set 2 is less concentrated. And you will see that the numbers is very small. Am I right? So, no worry about the comparison. Can I continue? Okay. Now, I have a question without referring to the paper. For set 1, which is the cathode? Set 1, P or Q? Q is the cathode, agree? A is the anode. Okay, jot down by the side. Ions that present in the electrolyte. Catat ion yang hadir dalam elektrolit. Untuk set 1. Saya nak panggil untuk jawab. What number you like? No need to ask your friend, ask yourself. Saya tengok siapa tanya kawan saya akan tanya dia soalan 10 kali. Exam boleh tanya kawan nggak? Tak boleh kan? Tanya sendiri saja kan? Okay. What number you like? Come give me a number. 47. Siapa 47? Okay. What are the ions that present in the electrolyte for set 1? Set 1. What are the ions that present in the electrolyte? Cl. Cl what? Chloride ion, good. Sama? Hydrogen ion. Okay. When you want to identify the ions, jangan lompat-lompat macam tupai tak mau lompat. Daripada sini, cuprum 2 klorida, potong dapat apa? Copper 2 ion. Then next to it will be the chloride ion. With the presence of the word solution, what should you add in? Hydrogen ion and the hydroxide ion. That's all. You don't go and lompat here, lompat there, don't want. Follow the sequence. Okay. Now, I have a question. For set 1, at the cathode, what is selectively discharged? Soalan cikgu. Untuk set 1, apakah ion yang dipilih nyacas pada cathode? Okay. Soalan saya, di cathode, siapa pilih ion cuprum 2? Angkat tangan. Copper 2 ion. Oh yo, very good. Okay. Who choose hydrogen ion? What do you choose? Copper. Salah. Copper 2 ion. Copper 2 ion only correct. Okay, very good. Now you write half equation on your own. See whether you can write or not. When copper 2 ion is selectively discharged, you write half equation on your own at the cathode. I want to see who never write. You jangan berpura-pura you tulis tapi you tak tulis Saya boleh tengok sangat jauh Sayang, bukan kata kunci lah. Kita masih di Ipoh. Kenapa you sudah sampai KL? Sini. You mau ikut sama. ETS sempat lagi. Okay. Half equation. Very good. Your answer is correct. You should get Cu2 positive plus 2 electron arrow Cu. Dapat? Okay, very good. Apakah pemerhatiannya? When you get copper, what will be the observation? Brown solid is formed. Copper brown color. So I'm telling you another way where when you are talking about the observation, you write about the color. Apabila ditanya tentang pemerhatian, anda tulis warna yang anda nampak. Okay? Okay, sambung cerita. Untuk bahagian anode pula, apa yang akan dipilihnya cas? Anode. Apa sedang berlaku? Anode apa yang dipilihnya cas?
Dia ada Cl minus, ada juga minus.
Saya kata pilihnya cas. Apa yang dipilih? Ion klorida ke ion hidroksida? Siapa pilih ion klorida? Ion klorida, angkat tangan. Untuk set 1. Ion hidroksida, angkat tangan. Tak angkat tangan, you pilih apa? Okay, now we are going to see what are those online answering. Kawan-kawan yang berada di luar sana, apakah ion yang dipilihnya cas pada anode untuk set 1? Siapa yang pilih ion klorida, letak 1 light. Siapa yang pilih ion hidroksida, letak 1 love. Okay. Tengok banyak light. Jawapannya ion klorida. Sebab apa ion klorida? Sebab apa ion klorida? Higher concentration. Very good. Okay. Now for set 2, untuk set 2, adakah apa yang berlaku di set 1 bagi katot itu sama? Jawapannya yes. Tapi apa yang berlaku pada anode itu akan berubah. Apakah pemerhatian pada anode di set 2? Okay. Set 2 sayang, anode mana ada brown solid? Anode set 2, apa pemerhatiannya? Colorless gas. Gas tidak berwarna. Sebab apa ada gas tidak berwarna? Sebab apa? Oksigen gas. Mengapa oksigen gas ada? Apa yang dipilih? Hydroxide ion. So, when you want to explain, mesti ikut flow ini. Ion yang dipilihnya cas. Apa yang terhasil? Tulis half equation. Mengapa pilih? Cikgu ulang ya. Untuk soalan esei, jika diminta untuk tulis, terangkan mengapa ada gas tidak berwarna terhasil pada anode untuk set 2. Flow untuk explain. Pertama, jot down. Ion yang dipilihnya cas. Ion which is selectively discharged. Number 2, why you choose it? Mengapa anda pilih? Sebab. Ketiga, apakah nama hasil? The name of the product. And number 4, don't forget half equation, setengah persamaan. Okay, dapat tulis? Untuk mana-mana soalan jika diminta untuk terangkan, ini flow-nya. This is the flow. Okay, now continue. You look at the question. They are giving you all the keywords at the next part. They tell you the observation. Okay. See, these are the keywords. And all these keywords tally with what we discussed just now. Apa yang kita bincang tadi sebenarnya apa yang diberitahu dalam soalan. Okay? Maksudnya tujuan cikgu nak beritahu, apabila anda baca soalan, jangan lompat-lompat, ikut flow-nya. One by one, line by line, you are going to read and you will get a lot of answers from there. Okay? Can? Okay, now, another problem that you might face, look at the question down there. State the name of the product at P, Q, R, and S. How many they want you to state? 4, right? When it is 4, you are going to easily get 4 marks. When they ask you to state like that, you are easily getting 4 marks out of the 8 according to this question. And you are going to explain. And you are going to write half equation at the anode and cathode. And for which experiment? Experiment 1. You read like that, like how I explain to you, you will get confused. Tengok, ramai yang tak tahu saya sedang cakap apa kan? Sebab itulah, saya sengaja. Sebab itulah apa yang kamu buat masa peperiksaan. Baca soalan tak erti apa dia tulis. Tak baca saja, habis baca, you don't know what to write as your answer. Okay, so in order for you to answer easily, you are going to put your answer in a table form. Check my table and the question. Tally ke tidak? Tolong semak. Adakah nama hasil PQRS? Untuk eksperimen 1, apa yang kita nak tulis? Pemerhatian pada anode, penerangan. Pemerhatian pada cathode, penerangan. Okay. So, actually, answering essay question is not a difficult task. To score chemistry is not difficult. Untuk skor kimia, lagi senang daripada makan kacang. Makan kacang sudah senang kan? Untuk skor kimia lagi senang. Tak percaya, you akan skor nanti. Ikut cara cikgu. Okey, sambung cerita. Bahagian B. Sejak tadi, ramai orang suka baca komik ni. Sekarang you baca. Apa Mei-Ling dan Ahmad sedang bincang? Mei-Ling kata apa? Ahmad kata apa? Ahmad pergi jumpa kawan dia. Mei-Ling, I would like to coat my iron ring with a layer of silver. What does it mean by coat the iron ring with a layer of silver? Okay, what is the process that they want to talk about? Electroplating. Okay, that means I have iron ring, I have silver. Now, I want to ask you a question. Why must do electroplating? Boyfriend cikgu beri cikgu satu cincin. Cincin ferrum besi. Cikgu kata tak mau. No forever love, I don't want. Why? Ras berkarat. Okay? So, this Ahmad went and see Mei-Ling. Minta bantuan. So, what is the purpose he wants to do electroplating? Okay, wait, I want to call one number. What number you like? 50-50, he says. He says 2 times 50, that means you answer 2 questions. You are 50. He says he is 50. Okay, you answer 1 time, he answer 1 time. What is the purpose of electroplating? If he is correct, give him a clap. To prevent rusting. Okay, very good. But if I change, I am not using iron ring. I use another type of ring. Let's say I use copper ring. Copper ring, not super ring. Bukan super ring yang kamu makan. Okay, copper. Will it undergo rusting? But it will undergo corrosion. You use the word rusting only when you see the word iron. Okay, If no iron, you are going to tell prevent corrosion. Okay, what is another purpose of electroplating? Just now you say you want to answer, right? Oh, very good, volunteer.
Enhance appearance of the iron.
Oh, he says, want to enhance the appearance. Boleh tak? Yes, very good. Thank you. One more. Ada one more kah? Enhance appearance to prevent corrosion. Any more? Any more? Ada? Ada lagi? I don't know. You go and search. Now, my next question is, we help Ahmad to do electroplating. How to get a good electroplating? Bagaimana nak dapat penyaduran yang baik? Okay, call one number. He's going to call two numbers. First number, what you want? What number? 26. Okay, get ready, 26. Thank you. 30. Okay, siapa 26? Okay, why? How to get good electroplating? Siapa 30, get ready, Good electroplating. How? Can you? Never mind, later I tell you answer. Okay, you sit down. Kita tanya soalan nomor 30 siapa? Okay, wow, that's why he's very nervous. How? I want to get good electroplating. Macam mana mau dapat?
Use electrode solution.
Oh, macam itu okay, dia cuba, tapi sorry tak dapat okay, now I think most of you don't know. Who don't know the answer? Show your hand. Tak apa, sekarang saya beri jawapan. Number 1, you are going to use low current. Guna arus yang rendah. Use low current. Number 2, when you want to do the electroplating, you have to rotate the object. Putarkan objek. Bukan pusing putar, slowly you rotate it. Supaya penyaduran itu penyaduran yang serata, sekata, yes. One more. Use what type of solution? Can you use very concentrated solution? No, use dilute solution. So here comes your 3 method to get good electroplating. Okay, now you are to determine, I want to electroplate this iron ring with silver. Should I put the iron ring at anode or cathode? Okay, kita tengok yang ada bersama dengan kita dalam talian. Okay, dengar baik-baik You all will follow also the same method. Siapa yang ingin letakkan iron ring pada anode, letak satu love. Siapa yang ingin letak iron ring pada cathode, letak satu like. Okay. Okay. Siapa mau letak like? Tengok. Wow. Okay. Very good. Yes. You should put the iron ring at the cathode. What if I put my iron ring at the anode? No reaction. Ada reaction. Nanti iron ring saya memang betul-betul tak ada forever love, terus sudah hilang, tak ada. Why? Not displace is oxidation. Oxidation will occur. Okay, so for the setup, this question asks you for the setup. Many of you can draw the setup correctly. Okay, but the question asks you for iron ring. You follow the book, go and do iron key like that, correct or not? Tak boleh lah. Orang minta iron ring, you letak iron ring lah, label. So this one, you change to a ring. Don't put the key. Understand what I mean? Let's say you are drawing the key, but you label iron ring. Can I mark you wrong? I don't think you are wrong. Why? Because you can have a ring that is the shape of the key, right? Ada tak? Ada. Itu ring boleh kita buat macam apa? You can put the shape, different shape. Can, no problem. As long as you label it correctly. Can I continue? Yes, okay. So this is the electrolysis and the voltaic cell question. Now, as what I promised just now, I said I want to talk about the question on carbon compound. Now, actually, what is the problem that you have for carbon compound. It is very simple. In order for you to master carbon compound, cikgu kata master, maksudnya lepas ini kamu kena jadi sifu untuk, bukan siput lah, sifu untuk sebahagian carbon. How to do? You remember only this one, flow chart. Siapa belum hafal ini? Show your hand if you have not remember this. Tunggu apa? Tunggu apa? Tunggu habis SPM baru hafal lah. Tunggulah. I tell you why you have to answer it correctly. Why you have to memorize? You look at this. Before that, I want to interview you. Who cannot differentiate between homologous series and functional group? Sudah dapat boleh bezakan homologous series dan functional group. Siapa tak boleh terus terang bagi tahu cikgu? Tak boleh Okey, tak apa. Ini yang anda nampak dekat sini, alkane, alkene, alcohol, carboxylic acid and ester. These are called as the homologous series. Ni macam keluarga. Keluarga star. Keluarga WONG. Keluarga kan? Nama keluarga. Ni lah. Alkane, alkene, alcohol, carboxylic acid. Untuk alkene, apakah kumpulan berfungsi? Jika nak ada tindak balas berlaku di mana? Mana? Functional group mana? Apa functional group untuk alkene? Okey, ikatan apa di antara atom karbon? Ikatan ganda dua, carbon-carbon double bond. Many of you like to write the word double bond. Cannot. I will ask you. Double bond between who? You and me You tak mau, tak boleh, salah. Cannot. It must be between the carbon and the carbon. Follow what I mean? Okay, so now, challenge for you. I want to call number. Now I call. 82. I want 82. I want 81. Who is 81? He, right? Okay, you answer first. See. Alkene wants to change to alkane. What process?
Hydration.
Hydration, betul tak? Tak boleh
loh. Dia suka kamu. Apa? From alkene to alkane. Sit down, please. Alkene to alkane. Yes, very good. I know why he called him. Ni lah. Tambah hydrogen, hydrogenation. Okay Buat apa? Proses ini untuk hasilkan apa? Hasilkan apa? You makan roti mesti mau letak? Takkan bagi you makan roti kosong? Mula dengan M. Not to make money is to make margarine. Mana ada belajar buat jam dekat sini sayang? Margarine. Hydrogenation is a process to make margarine. Okay, saya mau tukar now. I want to change from the alkene to the alcohol. Who knows what process? 81, call a number. 81, call a number. Call one number. 25. Wah, kawan sini pandai dia panggil semua nombor sana. Nanti you panggil sana juga. Soalan cikgu, my question. You want to change from the alkene to the alcohol. What process? He says hydration, correct or not? Very good. Okay, give me one number. Higher than 42, more than 42 number. 69, okay. Who is 69? Siapa 69? Okay. Now I want to change from alcohol back to alkene. Dehydration, betul tak? Yes, okay. Call one number. Now I want to change from alcohol to carboxylic acid. What number? 48. Who is 48? Okay. Okay. This one. How? alcohol to carboxylic acid. Tak ada talian hayat. Talian telefon sudah putus. Okey, saya dengar jawapan dari sini. Oxidation, betul tak? Okay. Wait. You cannot sit down. No answer my question yet. Okay, we give him a chance. Oxidation is correct. What are the oxidizing agent that we can use? Can you please give us one? Wait. Don't make noise. I think he can show answer. Purple color. Potassium. Dichromate berapa? 6 ke 7? 6 ke 7? 7. I love you. Duduk salah. Hayo. Are you sangat happy you beritahu saya apa? Potassium manganate betul tak? You sangat kuat. Okay, apa jawapan? Acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. Yes, very good. Sebab apa dia tahu? Sebelum swab mula saya bagi tahu dia. Okay, one more. Other than acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. Acidified potassium dichromate. Okay, sebenarnya kawan saya sana sudah separuh betul lah. Nombor saja salah. Acidified potassium dichromate, how many? 6 solution. Okay. So when you see this type of words in the question, you know what is your answer. So the process is called acid oxidation. And everyone please tell me, from the alcohol and the acid, I want to get the ester. What is the name of the process? You are the best. Okay, esterification. So with this table, you can answer the flow chart easily. Now you do. Right, jot down what is the process 1, reaction 1, reaction 2, reaction 3. You don't pretend you do, I'm seeing you. Okay, together you tell me, what is the name of the reaction 1? You see, from the alkene to the alcohol, hydration. Very easy, right? Okay. From the butan 1-ol, reaction 2, you want to change to but 1-in. You see again from here, same thing. Next, butan 1-ol to butanoic acid, reaction 3. Oxidation. What is so difficult? If you remember this one, can you do easily? Yes. Hafal ini saja, sudah boleh dapat banyak markah. So, mau hafal tak? Siapa tak mau hafal, angkat tangan. Tak ada yang berani ya. Why? Because this one is for you to score. Teacher asked you to memorize because teacher loves you so much. Okay, please. Okay, next one. What else to remember? Another part to remember for the. See, this is your answers. Okay, next. I want to show you. The next thing that you need to remember is this table. Just now we mentioned a little bit alkene. Alkene, what is the general formula? What is a functional group? Have you remembered this? Who have not show your hand? Not yet, Okay, so your task. Can you please jot down and remember? Yes, very good. Thank you very much. Okay. So because of time frame, I cannot complete on the carbon compound. I'm very sorry. Okay? But no worry. What you need to answer is already what I told you just now. Okay? Now, any questions you want to ask me before we end the session today? Any questions? No questions. Okay. Before we end, if throughout this session, sekiranya cikgu ada menggunakan apa-apa perkataan yang mengguris hati anda, untuk yang bersama dengan cikgu secara fizikal, dan untuk yang dalam talian, cikgu minta maaf. Apa yang cikgu buat, semua untuk kebaikan anda semua. Teacher love you, that's why teacher do so. Please forgive me if I'm having anything wrong. Before I end the session, cikgu doakan terbaik untuk anda. Semoga semua yang ada bersama kita pada slot malam ini sentiasa sehat dan ceria dalam menghadapi semua cabaran dalam kehidupan, terutamanya dalam menghadapi peperiksaan SPM yang akan menjelang tiba. Yang penting anda perlu
Okey, terima kasih semua. Okey, semua buka kamera. Kita nak buat sesi fotografi. Okey. Okey, semua on kamera. Kita nak fotografi. Okey, thank you. Thank you semua. Okey. Kita dah selesai sesi pre-hybrid minggu ke-8. Terima kasih semua. Kita berjumpa pada 28 hari bulan 10 iaitu pre-hybrid terakhir bagi program pre-hybrid SPM 2025. Okay, sekian. Saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada semua sekolah yang menyertai pada malam ini. Hingga kita berjumpa lagi pada minggu hadapan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.